Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, we are burning the midnight oil, baby, here at the Jayco open house, staying late to pump out some units. And this is going to be a lightweight, under 30-foot fifth wheel with a full-time living warranty. So I think you guys are gonna like it. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. This is the 2026 Jayco Eagle 24MLE. So this is going to be kind of in their SLE series. And I would not say stripped down for sure, but it's definitely not going to be as feature heavy as some of the other Jayco units. But this thing is absolutely no schlub. I mean, it is built well. It looks beautiful. You got solar on top. And man, I think you guys are going to really like it. I really love the furniture. First 2 days of shooting Jayco ever in my 12-year RV career, 5 years doing the videos. And man, Jayco's fit and finish is great, but their decor team deserves a raise. And what I like, this is gonna sound silly, but one of the first things that I noticed, by the way, a link for Funtown RV down in the description if you wanna buy this, because if you like it, you might wanna buy it. But also the specs will be down in the description. But I like the fact that you get this little toe kicker right here. So you can come in, you know, kick your shoes off and bada bing, bada boom, baby. This is about what you see is about what you get. It's the MLE, the mid-living entertainment. So you get one slide right here in the front. You can see you got a really nice sized couch with some recliners, but this is what I'm talking about for the furniture. It's just that cloth right there. It just feels nice, feels like warm. I'm so used to all this pleather, and I like it. I like it a lot. You got the cup holders right here. You also have, possibly, maybe, nope. I thought that maybe that was one of those like little flip down things, but you got your emergency exit, pull, push, and plop, tinted windows, and you get kind of the Dracula shade, baby, the accordion Dracula right there, the bat wings. But I think it's pretty darn nice to be able to, you know, block out the sun when you want to without having some like zebra shades. But when you turn around, I think the aesthetics are really nice. One thing they are doing different than most of the other competition, at least that I have noticed, is even on, you know, the SLE line, they're still using the upgraded 15K Whisper Quiet AC system. So that is fantastic. It keeps it nice and cool, but it also keeps it nice and quiet. So right here, you have a dinette that drops down to make some sleeping with your TV and a little bit of storage here up above. I also like how there's a window there. So maybe if you're sitting down with honey buns, you know, having some breakfast, doing a little bit of work, you still get a nice view over here on the campsite. But the TV is directly across from your seating as well. Now you open this up, boom, baby. You got the power light for the pantry. This also said it's a liquid chalkboard, which is kind of cool. I like to do that. Plus you can see, you know, the old bowling gun. Flip it around here. No vents in the floor. That's because your heat registers are going to be, you know, under things like that. Then obviously you got the stairs right there. Then right up here, this would kind of be like my, I'd probably sneak away a couple Bourbones because you also have, you know, probably what would turn into like a little junk cabinet for me. Maybe drunk cabinet, depending on the camping, but probably junk. So right there, the TV is going to be on a swivel. You also have your speakers right here, and then one directly above me right there. So you get good sound coverage. You're also going to get the 10.7 12-volt refrigerator, 10.7 cubic foot, sorry. But I mean, look at that. Week's worth of groceries for two, you know, no problemo. And again, the full-time warranted, the full-time living warranty is super nice. It's also got a 2+3 warranty, so 2-year on the limited warranty, and then a 3-year on the structure itself. So one of the best manufacturer warranties in the game. You got the 3-top burner to whip up all the fixings, along with enough room right there to maybe bake, you know, some cookies. Residential real wood cabinetry as well. And then it's also going to be, oh, never mind, I'm sorry. Thought for a second there was on the soft close, but I was just misspeaking. You got the hard wrap countertop. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. And then you got the split zone stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. You also see you got a little bit more storage right up here. So a ton of storage here in the back. And then you have the mirrored reflective finish on the microwave, which is pretty darn cool, with potato and pizza mode. Obviously, you got the beverage, popcorn, and frozen dinner there too. Pretty classic. Pretty classic. A little bit of storage. It's a good place to... You know, most of these stuff are always fake, but I have a feeling these are real cookies in there. You know, you got like fake apples, you got some beans, spaghetti. It's high shelf life stuff. I bet those cookies would stand the test of time. Probably not taste-wise, but I don't think there's anything on there that's biodegradable. Maybe I should do a cookie review one day. But what do you guys think here of the living room? I think it's pretty snazzy. Again, under 30 feet, so you're going to have a wide variety of trucks that are going to be able to pull this. I still don't recommend half-ton towable, even though that's what a lot of the market will advertise something like this for. There's just, you got to be really careful with that. All your different tank levels will be located right here, so you can see, you know, how full they are. You have your slide control and, of course, your awning control, along with your lights, and then your hot and cold right there as well with your fuse box. Got a grab handle here coming up into the bathroom. The bathroom is a really good size for this size RV, and I like the fact they use a little bit of a nicer shower than some of your counterparts right there too. You also got the little octopus doodads, you know, hang a towel on me. And then I'd say this is probably, man, I don't know, like 38 by 40, I think is what's common here. But man, about 6'4", I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds for reference. You got the little Ace Ventura window right there too as well. And then you flip it around, you got another mirror, another gun, baby. You also have the entrance that is into the bedroom and into here as well, which is nice. And then you got the plastic bowl, Suburban on-demand hot water heater. So the old tankless. Plenty of shelves. I like how they use the shut-off valves there too as well. And then you come on into the bedroom. You have a north to south bed with storage on either side along with your emergency exit. You're also going to get a little bit of a cubby right there. And I like how you can actually walk, you know, on either side too, which is going to be really nice. Outlets on both sides if you have like a CPAP machine or, you know, any sort of like laptop or cell phone that you want to charge. And then you also have a mini wardrobe slide over here too as well, along with a second 15K AC here in the bedroom, which is nice. Two more pull-out drawers right over there. And then, I mean, look at that. Pretty darn crazy. I like it, but what do you guys think? I mean, I know this is a short tour. Not too much to go over on this. It's kind of a get-me-done size, but this would be a fantastic for somebody that doesn't want a travel trailer, but still wants to keep like a lower footprint there. So again, this is the 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 24MLE, mid-living entertainment. Full-time warranty, all the specs, price link, and all that will be down in the description. But you're going to see a fiberglass siding with aluminum frame construction. You're also going to get your electric stabilizer. So there in the back, you'll have a control. You also have a control, you know, up in front for the landing gear. You can see you got dual axles, no slide outs on this side. So that awning is going to provide you with really good shade. It's also part of the Solera series. So it'll run off of, you know, the solar that's on top. It's all going to be 12 volt power too. So that's nice. Toy hauler bottom there with the aluminum frame construction. You also have the 30 amp control right there. So that's going to be for the solar charge controller. You're also going to get the steps that flip up into the doorway. So it's going to be nice for some of your beefier people, or during inclement weather, it's going to keep up a little bit nicer for you. It's not kind of as floppy. You got the kind of suspension that separates it out just a hair. So it makes it a little bit nicer. And you see those aluminum wheels right there as well. You have your low point drain along with your control for your stabilizer right here with a little additional storage and an outlet. So maybe if you're doing like a little outside drinking, maybe you can get like a blender going or something like that. You're also going to get a tow package on this. So 3,000 pound tow rating, 300 pound hitch rating, 2-inch receiver, and a 4-way flat. Backup camera, so if you're someone that's a little bit nervous when you're driving, you can see what's going on behind you with some distance marker, you know, if you choose to. But 7,855 pounds for the height, or for the weight, I'm sorry, and 29 feet, 3 inches. So it's pretty incredible what you get there. So you have a ladder to get on top of your roof, you know, check your seals, check your slides, along with your sewage dump right here. And then notice how you are prepped for the Solera slide topper. So it's a piece of awning that hooks in that'll go on top of your slide to prevent debris from falling on top of your unit. And then in turn, you know, help you take care of some of those leaks. If you're not someone that's going to get up and check it when you're parked under a tree, I definitely recommend getting those. There's going to be your other outlet connection. And then you have your black holding tanks. So that's going to be, your black tank flush. So that's a sprinkler system for your poop tank, and then your city water connection along with your 50 amp control, and then the back end there of that pass-through storage, plus a place for your propane. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the tour. I hope to catch you next time. Again, my name is Hunter. This is the 2026 Jayco Eagle 24MLE. Have a great day. See ya. Meow, 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 meow. Rum dum, ba-da-da-da-dum. I'm super tired. Rum-ba-dum-ba-dum.